The FTB Tower is a 28-floor office building standing at a height of 157 meters, and it was constructed for $112 million. The building is located on Russian Boulevard near the Council of Ministers and covers a total area of 77,593 square meters, with 4 basements designated for parking. The building was designed and built by Aedis Architecture, an international architectural firm, and constructed by China Construction Midland, Cambodia, Limited, a subsidiary of China State Construction. The building features a helipad on its rooftop for helicopters to land.